Hi guys! In this video, you are going to complete a quiz on clothes. There are 3 components: listening, reading, and speaking. If you haven't watched the tutorial on clothes, please go and watch it now before you continue with this one. Take down notes and get yourself familiar with all the new vocabulary and sentence structures. Then come back and take this quiz. See how well you have achieved the learning goals. If you're all set, get your pens and paper ready, and we'll get started. Listen carefully and select the one you hear. Write down your answers on a piece of paper. 1. 毛衣 2. 外套 3. 连衣裙 4. 鞋 5. T 恤 You have 3 minutes to answer the following questions. Feel free to pause the video if you need longer time. Again, don't forget to write down your answers. For the speaking part, you might want to watch the tutorial again and to refresh your memory. Listen carefully to how each word is pronounced. This time, make sure you write down all the new words so that you have your own vocabulary bank to refer to. How did you go? Please skip this part if you haven't completed all 3 components in this quiz. If you're finished, let's check out the answers. A small tip that will help you with your speaking fluency is to write down your script and to read it out a couple of times. Rehearsing is very helpful in improving your speaking skills. Good luck! See you in the next one.